How to upload videos over 15 minutes in length on YouTube. So in order to upload a video that's over 15 minutes, there's a couple of things that we need to enable on our YouTube channel. Now I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on the mobile app as well. Now first head over to the website youtube.com and make sure you're signed in to your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon and press YouTube Studio. From the left hand side, go and click on Settings. You can then click on Channel and click on Feature Eligibility. Now click on the drop down next to Intermediate Features, and as you can see, we need to enable this before we can upload videos over 15 minutes in length. So over on the right hand side, you'll see the requirements, and the only requirement is that we have the standard features already enabled. So if you scroll up, you can click on this drop down arrow. And here's the requirements for the standard features. And as long as you have this enabled, you can come down and then you need to click on verify phone number. You can then basically go through the steps to verify your telephone number. And once it's verified, you'll then have access to upload videos over 15 minutes.